So students, now multiplying 3 or more monomials. Okay, so I am giving you one example here. You see, 3 by 2 x square y z into 1 by 5 x y square z square into minus 75 x square y square z. Okay, same. Okay, we discussed monomials, multiplying two monomials. Here also same. Okay, same procedure you apply. First you multiply all the constant part. That means here 3 by 2, here 1 by 5, and here minus 75. You multiply 3 of them. 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 into minus 75. Okay, you multiply 3 of them in this way. And after that, you multiply all the like term first. Okay, like coefficient. Sorry, like variables. This is x square. This is x and this is x square. You multiply x square into x square. Here y into y square into again y square. Again you multiply z into z square into z. Okay, very simple. You can cut down 5 and minus 75 by 5. Okay, so it will be minus 15. So after multiplication, 3 into 3 into minus 15 by 2. That means minus 45 by 2 here. And here you see x square into x. X means x to the power 1 and it is x square. That means total x to the power 5. Okay. And here also y means y to the power 1. So it will be y to the power 5 and z means z to the power 1. Here also z means z to the power 1 and it is z square. So it will be z to the power 4. Okay, very simple. So your answer, final answer is minus 45 by 2, x to the power 5, y to the power 5, z to the power 4. Okay, actually you see this is one procedure actually. Okay, when you will be familiar, okay, then you can, this type of multiplication you can do in one line. Okay, in one line when you will be familiar. Suppose 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 into minus 75. If you know, okay, you cut down. So after that, here x square, here x square. So it will be x to the power 5. You know. So you can write when you will be familiar. Okay. After this exercise, you can directly write this answer. You can directly write this answer. Okay. But this is your first. Okay. First class. That's why you just write in this way. Clear? Then you will understand. Okay, so now I'm giving you 2 classwork and some homework also. Okay, so let us do 6.2. You open 6.2, a number, just a number today you show me. Okay, a number is your classwork. A 1 2 3 4 and 5 classwork. Okay. And from B1 question number 4 to 5 to 6 and 3 2 and 3. Clear? B1 question number 3 and 4 from 2 number B2, that means 2, question number 5 and 6. Okay, and from question number 3 from 3 2 and 3. Okay, these are the homework. You will not show me. Okay, you will not, no need to show me now. These are homework. Clear? So it's enough for today. Meet you in the next class. That means tomorrow. Okay, so bye bye, take care.